Today we will learn different terms of the day. Short hand on 4, long hand on 12, it is called 4 a.m. 4 a.m. early morning. Short hand on 5, long hand on 12, it is called 5 a.m. 5 a.m. dawn. Short hand on 7, long hand on 12, it is called 7 a.m. 7 a.m. morning. Short hand on 12, long hand on 12, it is called 12 p.m. 12 p.m. noon. Short hand on 1, long hand on 12, it is called 1 p.m. 1 p.m. afternoon. Short hand on 6, long hand on 12, it is called 6 p.m. 6 p.m. dusk. Short hand on 7, long hand on 12, it is called 7 p.m. 7 p.m. evening. Short hand on 9, long hand on 12, it is called 9 p.m. 9 p.m. night. Short hand on 12, long hand on 12, it is called 12 a.m. 12 a.m. midnight.